how to subtract percentages from numbers in Excel. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to subtract percentages from numbers in Excel. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. Alright, so here we are in Excel. On the left, I've got some numbers and next to them, the percentages I want to subtract. To calculate this, click the cell where you want the result to appear. Now type an equal sign to start the formula. Click on the number, then type minus sign for subtraction, followed by an open bracket. Now, click the number again, type the asterisk for multiplication, and then click the percentage. Close the bracket and hit enter. That's it. Excel will subtract the percentage from the number. If you want to apply the same formula to other rows, just click the bottom right corner of the results cell and drag it down. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching.